Okay, it's coming to 7 already. Pai Canyon is closed and we are going to head to the hotel. Managed to get a drink for a bit and rest. And down here, see where the insects. Ridiculous lah, sia. All will attack your face one. So it's a good time to chow. You can see from my headlight area. Oh, they fly also, fly in the face ones. They just hammer only. Okay, my bike got pulled out. It's pretty dark over here. May need to. Wrong button. Okay, sweet. Alright, hopefully all the insects all never fly inside my helmet. Out here a lot, especially at night. All the cicada and don't know all manner of insects. Alright, from one to chop go become one long hike, man. But at least settle lah, Pai Canyon. That one cannot come afternoon lah, guys. Come towards evening. Or if you like us want to climb all right, come earlier a bit lah. Unless you the feet tight, you can climb without so much rest. Then you can explore the whole Pai Canyon. It's quite a hike, man, that one. Okay, so we are heading to our hotel, Pai Hotsprings and Spa Hotel. You can see Pai Hotsprings. That one's right beside lah. I'm not too sure if it's a walking distance. You can see the gate to enter the area. Wow, Pai Canyon, I tell you. Woo! From don't want to go far, I go all the way inside to climb all. Hopefully you guys enjoy lah, watching me climb all this place, man. If only I was the fit type, then I can show you even more deeper. But not to worry, I try my best lah. See, I can show you as much as I can. The condition, I came back down. I tell you all the sand and stuff. Got plus minus. With the riding boots I climb, sandy all slippery, man. But with the riding pants, just hug all the rocks like nothing like that. We'll turn right here to Pai. This darkness and rocky roads. Don't know why he routed from this way lah, but never mind. Guess it's the main road lah. Just now the one before was side road. Okay, like I said, down here all dark lah. So gotta watch out for any animals or what running out. All the little doggies and animals, and then she got one man. Oh sorry, a lady crossing the road randomly. So it's best not to hug too much to the side. We got a lot of tourists also. They don't know how to rent vehicle or motorbike or what. That one also. See, got one shit in my face. Okay, what's that? Super annoying. Want to fly inside my helmet. Okay, almost there, guys. They never rent that one. They will just go for a hike in this darkness. Go explore Pai area or what. So we gotta watch out for them, especially towards the night. Or if Caucasians or what, or whoever else. You see got a little doggy there. You will know if they're drunk or what, sleep on the road. Then that one is irritating thing. Last time I went to places like, oh shallah, this one the fucking smoke like macam burnt burn engine like that. Cannot even see shit, man. Now don't know what happened to my lens. Hopefully the lens okay. That one on smoke screen give me. Okay, so you want to ride in darkness, careful lah, especially all the small road. See, condition wise also you don't know. So it's good to have like this fog light. Because if you ride with all the small bike, that one the high beam also cannot see shit one, you know, this one time flash, all clear. Then I cannot get distracted by all the insect and whatever along the way also. Just now got one, I think, fly inside my from under the helmet or what, I don't know lah. Must have been inside the helmet all the while. So like I said, don't get distracted by all this, because all the turns also you never know. Okay, got a cut-in one down here. It seems like something like that. Then go inside. See, even more smaller lorong. This one is one of the hotels, I guess. Ours is further up. Then turn a left. Okay, no, not. See, I think all the wrong ways. Oh. Alright, we should be there soon. It's around this area. Show you lah what it's like. It's Pai Hotsprings and Spa. There you can see the sign. You can go in. Watch out for this hump here. Pai Hotsprings and Spa Resort. It's all in the darkness. I can see one motorbike there. I see that only one doggy will sleep in the middle of the whole way, you know. Then okay, just switch off the sun, very annoying, because I shine right into people's reception area. Okay lah. Well, this is the entrance. It looks like a nice place lah. Got like this pond and stuff. And tomorrow got some sunlight lah. At least I can bring you one round. Go and check it out. Now we will go check in. I show you the room a bit. Then we go find some makan, man. Alright, helmet cam is going off. Okay, I'm at the entrance of Pai Hotsprings and Spa. My key, cannot see. Darkness. 502. We are heading to the room. Not too sure where is it. You gotta go this side, I think. On the right side. In front of me is of course the kitchen area. Check-in and stuff. Then later on we go and see. I guess it's from here to the right. Swimming pool, restaurant, spa. Doesn't seem like anything is open. It's all over here. Ask my lady. Hi, the room is over here, right? Yeah. Okay. So this one seems to be like a small little river. The darkness. Shall walk. Okay, this hotel. There's no breakfast also. And then some more is a bit inside lah. So got to go down to the city area if you want to get some food. No laundry also. That one is the bonus. Because I thought this one was the place where we can at least wash some clothes, man. But never mind. Got to do a DIY a bit.
Ours is let me see, I'll show you. The light 502 1601 to don't know what. Further up, swimming pool. Oh, okay, I see it. Doing another track in the darkness. Okay, restaurant and spa. Ours is towards the swimming pool, and 50 something is this way. So it's a bit of a trek, man, just to go and find for the room in the darkness. After some time I go take my barang-barang, man. So I take the important ones. Cannot even see. Confident only I walk. So I came earlier. Okay, let me see the next sign. It's to the right, I guess. Let's see what this sign says. This sign is restaurant. I think ours is further down. Wait, I see I can shine for your light. Okay, finally we reach 502 after a trek around. Not this one. Oh, okay. I saw another room. Wow, the darkness. It's not even on lights. Yeah. See? That's why I see like, why like that? Wow, shine my face.
Sorry. Where the fuck is the key, man?
It seems like. Is there? There you go. Okay, just need to pull out that shit. And then wow. Coming here is another issue, man. Okay, wait, let me go and figure out the light so first. Okay. Ta-da! Okay. It's outside. Check it out, finally I managed to get into our room because the hinge, they close the door before doggies come in. They close the door. Yeah, back outside. Okay. Inside got sofa area, got 3 bed. Don't know for what. And place to sit down. Okay, we got our dresser, cupboard area. Wow, inside also a bit complicated. Then all the door also a bit macam cannot move on. Later I figure it out. Okay, more lights. Let me just switch on so you can see this time. Wow. Okay, got like shower area, very big one, which will lead outside, it seems. So nice, I can go one round, yep, to this filthy tub outside, which most likely won't be using. And of course, toilet bowl, which is still dirty. Right, then you can see outside lah when you berak. Okay, so that's the room. Quick tour of the room here in Pai Hotsprings. Gonna clear off all the stuff, then go find something to eat, man. All in the city area, so I most likely have to write down. Right? Let me just get out of the glare. Okay. See you in a bit.
Drinks, view of the walks. Bye.